Okay, so I cut it open. This one is the one with the coconut and okay, hey guys, so what I have here is peanuts that I just crushed. The white little stuff is like coconuts, grated coconut, and then I have some cane sugar in there. You can put any sugar, any other sweetener that you want, or no sweetener if you don't want to. And the green leaves are mint leaves. And then I'm gonna use the spring rolls paper, or however you call it, leaves, sheets. Ooh, excuse me, people. Okay, so what we do is mix all of this. My bowl, that would not be funny if my bowl fall. Ooh, you see sexy salipas. Okay, guys, seriously though. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, I left this one. I have to make this one smaller. Hey guys, so here you go. It's a little mix, and I'm going to be putting them in my spring rolls. I broke a nail. Okay, seriously though. So I'm going to put that in there, and then I also want to make one with apples. I just cut my apple. Hey apple, isn't that cute? So cute. And this is what's that bio? Why is my head so cut off? I hate this. Here I am. Here. Okay, so let's show you here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna peel them and then add maybe a little bit of brown sugar or something. I just feel like eating something sweet. Like I really like sweet stuff. I don't know why. Oh, and then cinnamon. Alright, I'm going to peel this all and then I'll come back. Oh shit!
What is that?
Ask mommy.
What is it?
I have my dingo doctor. He gave some medicine. I can't work on the care of the V hospital. It was too late. They biting the fever. I go to the head. The brain was already damaged. So the fever, you know when you got too much fever?
Yeah, it's over, yeah.
Oh yeah? What is it?
Yeah.
Ook bewust bezig zijn met je mobiel. Dat kan al voor €9 per maand met mijn
Nee.
maandelijks opzegbaar sim.
Die hersentamenten die van achter jou bij een lul.
Oh, ben je on...
Bij een lul.
Say hi. Say hi. They can't see your face. They only
We
see...
need to see my face.
Yes, we need to see the face. Okay, where's the face? Yes.
From here. No, it's okay.
What?
In Bhutan, it's a protection.
What's a protection in Bhutan?
The Bhutan.
The Budong? Like, seriously? Nou, hoor je? We're customers. Normally, I'll have music in the background and dancing my ass off. But like, I'm new to all this YouTube stuff, and I don't want to get in trouble for playing other people's music. You know, it's so boring. Like, seriously. I need music in my life. What are you talking about? People. Tan lady, that's great. Oh my gosh. My face. I really, like, I use a lot of coconut oil, guys. So, yeah. This is the apple. Apples. It smells so amazing. You can smell this. Oh my gosh. I could stand here the whole day just smelling this stuff. You can smell the sweetness. I love sweet smells. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm that person. Like, I love everything sweet and spicy. Alright. Is it? Hey, don't fall. Okay, so I really chop them like really small pieces. And then we're gonna see this little experiment of mine. This is, by the way, you can use any apples you want. I use Fuji apples because Fiji, whatever you want to call them, they're my favorite. Do you see him walking behind there again? Okay. Hey guys, so I'm putting the apple ones now. Like, seriously, I know it's not normal to use this like dough for this, but you know what? Why not experiment a little? Come on. Work with me here. And we're getting there. And take our mixture to seal it. Because you need to seal it, otherwise it will not open. And there we go. Now we have an apple spring roll. Weird. I'm so curious how this is gonna taste. Like, really. Where am I? Like, my mom just made this look really easy, right? Look at this sheet. Like, it's super thin. There we go. Okay, so now I'm making this with the peanuts, coconut, and mint. Fold it in a little bit. That's what my mom said. But this one's too loose. Make it tighter. Let me make it tighter. Okay. And then we put our little flour and water mix. This is like your glue. Beautiful little babies. Look at the little babies. Ain't they beautiful? It's so beautiful. Okay. And I have my oil in already. And me. All of this in our clean my kitchen because, like, you know, my mom was just here and cooking. And she always wants to help me with the dishes. I do it after, but I'm like, it's tired. Here we call them Loempia'S. And I'm going to fry them really quickly. And we'll see how they end up. Okay, so we're putting them in the oil at this point. Okay, so I'm done with these babies. You can see them. Okay, so I cut it open. This one is the one with the coconut and peanut and mint, some sugar, a little bit of sugar. It's not. I already started eating this one. I couldn't wait, but. Like, that's so interesting. So coconut, peanuts, peppermint, a little sugar. It's very chewy. When I mean chewy, that's probably because of the dry coconut. Maybe if you put like a fresher type of coconut, it would be more, a little bit more moisture on the inside. But to tell you the truth, I actually like it because it's like a fried cookie. It sounds really weird to say, but I really enjoy this. Okay, like little cigar shapes. Then apple and cinnamon. It smells divine. Let's try this. Yeah. Okay. Anybody who knows me knows I love cinnamon. They're both completely different in flavor. But I actually like it. Something different. So yeah, you can actually try whatever you want. can try whatever you want. You don't have to put apple. I was just experimenting. Like my mom made a normal one with veggies and stuff inside, and noodles and everything. But I just want to be crazy a little bit. And I really love the crunchiness that is kept. Okay, the one with the apple is, maybe you can see. Can you guys see that? It's a little bit softer, but they're so good. Try it. You guys let me know what you think when you make yours. And enjoy.